we pretty much were burnt doorstep to doorstep. They got that close that they melted an air conditioner on the side of our veterinary hospital. It felt like Armageddon. It pretty much felt like Armageddon. You came back and everything was black. It felt like there was nothing there.
It's been pretty devastating, actually. There's lots of tree stumps. At first I thought they were trees that had been cut down because they weren't safe, but it was actually the fires. They just totally obliterated them. The trees look like burnt matchsticks sticking out of the ground.
Wildlife that we're looking after, and we don't charge anyone for that care, and it takes really quite time consuming. Anaesthetising these possums every day is, you know, it all adds up, I guess. We don't mind doing it, but that's where we probably would direct some of any funds that we could get just to help with covering those sorts of costs.
Those donations will go to veterinarians, they will go to rehabilitation networks, they will go to help recover our forests, help recover our wildlife.
From the entire WWF Australia team, a heartfelt thank you to everyone that has supported us and our Aussie wildlife.